Hmm. I don't know. You think I starved that cat? It's not true. Hello? Why have you got to eat Sonny's food, eh? What's wrong with your own food? What's wrong with Go Cat? You know what? The trouble with Lottie is, her hair sticks to everything apart from herself. I've never had a cat like it, actually. You got a black jumper on, like that, and she vomits as well, don't you? Eats too much and then vomits. And I've tried all sorts. I've tried beating her. I've tried electrocution, shock therapy. You know, tried worming pills. Somebody said to me, "She's got worms." That's what it is. It's worms. I said, yeah, she'll be in worms. She carries on eating eating all Sonny's food and then vomiting it back up without asking to go outside. You know, if somebody say, excuse me, could I go outside? Could I go outside? I'll be sick and lose some hair. I wonder if I could, if you'd let me out, because I'm not tall enough to reach the handle, and you know, you haven't installed a cat flap, so what do you expect me to do about it? How do you expect me to get out? No, nothing at all. But she's been trained more to kind of go out this way, window, onto the step there, and actually now approach the door at least, and hint at wanting to go out to be sick. Anyway, they used to run an advert years ago with a cat putting his paw into dog food, or into food, and that must have been about 1970, something like that. So what have I been doing today? Well, as it's a blog and all that, I've just done, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Someone wants to come in. And I've just uploaded onto the blog the Loudon Wainwright video that I made over the course of the last 2 days or so, and I'll just, let's have a look. View. Well, that something to be proud of. Oh, it's falling girl thing here. You see that she's coming down there like that. If you ever come to my blog, what you need to do is you grab the girl and you throw her like that, you see, and she'll slide around. Fantastic physics engine, isn't it? I don't know if it's a bit sexist. Maybe it should have been could have been a falling man or falling boy, but at least she's got a bikini on. So now when she gets stuck between rocks like that, you can pull her through. Look, you can squeeze her through there. Up. And if you give a hard pull, that's how she'll go flying off. Fantastic maths behind that. Here's my down the planet basically, and here's a camcorder that's in that picture that doesn't fucking work. Lovely camcorder, but not very good at doing anything apart from looking nice, as I say. Doesn't turn on, no power. I'm going to try and get someone to look at it, but obviously these things can be so expensive now. You know, labour charges and whatnot. So that it's basically parts for somebody who knows what they're doing, and I don't. And I don't have a good one that needs parts. Now, there's a problem with this. There's no video. Yeah. I don't know. Blogger. Well, there's no freaking video. It's supposed to be there. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll try and update this video and find out what the problem is, and so I can think of anything interesting to say in the next 3 seconds.